back to my channel and thank you for subscribing. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. And then choose all from the options para ma-receive mo yung mga notif if I uploaded new videos. Para happy. Okay? So, para sa mga baguhan sa aking channel, my name is Dudes. Again, saying, walang forever, lilipas din yan. So, kung ano man po ang mga pinagdadaanan natin ngayon ng mga problema, wag po tayo mag-alala, matatapos din po yan. Wag po natin tambayan at makakaraos din po tayo. In today's vlog is a video of my quick trip to Robinson Malolos. Second, how to set your subscription to private or public in YouTube. And the third and last one is how to detect and identify spam comments in your YouTube channel. Okay, let's continue watching. I went to Robinson this afternoon to pick up my son's worksheet sa Common. So, it's so quiet. There halos walang tao. Ang lungkot-lungkot. Yan lang, konti lang yung mga tao. Dati hindi halos wala kang malakaran dyan pag mga ganitong araw. Pero ngayon, halos walang tao, tapos yung ibang tindahan sarado. Nakakalungkot lang. Let's see the other ones. Previous video, I showed you how to view your subscribers lists. But there are restrictions, of course. If an uploader chose to set his or her subscriptions to private, we won't be able to see him in our subscribers lists. So, I am calling those YouTubers or vloggers to please set your subscription to public. So, we will be able to see if you subscribe us so that we can subscribe you back. Okay? So, to the new vlogger, please set your subscription to public also so we can subscribe you back if you subscribe us. So, if you don't know how to do it, I am going to show you. Please keep watching. So once you log into your YouTube channel, you click this your tiny little picture photo on the upper right top, like so, like this, and then click your channel. And then the next step, wait lang, I want this. And then the next step is click customize channel. And then next, Once you're inside, you click this tiny gear icon at the right side, and then here, keep all my subscription to private. If you set it to blue color, that means you set it to private. So if you turn it off, that means you are set to public. So that means we will be able to see you once you subscribe us. So please set your subscription to public. So then the rest is up to you if you want to set it to private or to public. Okay, and then click save. And there you have it. Your subscription is now set to public. So there's another thing that I want to share with you guys, and that is how to detect or identify if a comment is spam or not. So YouTube detects spam based on the text of a comment or by the behavior of a particular commenter. For instance, repeatedly posting comments can be detected as spam. So pag paulit-ulit as same lang din yung sinasabi, tinitreat yun ni YouTube as spam. And obviously, spam talaga yun pag lahat ng comment niya sa video mo pare-pareho lang. So, but guys, we as uploaders have more control over the comments made on our videos. So, pag may mga comments dun sa videos natin, makokontrol natin yon, mafi-filter natin. So, pwede natin siyang i-approve, pwede rin naman i-delete na lang, ignore, ganon. Kasi si YouTube, it will not automatically delete the spam comments. It will hold it as spam, and it's up to you to choose if you will approve it or not. So there are options. So you can approve the comment if you think it is legitimate and from a real person, or you can just remove the comment if it doesn't seems right, or you can report it for some spam or abuse, or also you can choose to hide the user from your channel. So I'll show you how to do it. So once you're logged into your YouTube account, again you click here sa tiny photo there, and then go to your YouTube studio. Again, that's where you do it, inside your YouTube studio. Is my English pronunciation is improving? Can you comment? Thank you. So now that you're inside your YouTube studio, the next thing to do is here, click comments. And then, ayan, if there is if YouTube is not sure about the comment, it will put it here or here. Then you are the one responsible if you need to filter it. So it's up to you if you want to approve or not, or just delete it or remove it from the comment. So ganon lang, that's easy. Since wala akong naka-held for review or likely spam na comment, hindi ko mapapakita sa inyo how to remove it, delete it, report it for abuse, ganon. Pero pag nagkamerong ka dyan, for sure, lalabas din yung mga option na yon. So that's how you do it. So if you want me to subscribe your channel, please write it at the comment section below. Write your YouTube channel at the comment section below. But first, please subscribe me and click the bell icon. And then, once I see your name on my subscriber list, your channel name or your name in my subscribers list, then I'll subscribe you back. Okay? Let's help each other. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching and hope you learned something from me today. Again, please subscribe, like this video, and don't just leave. Say something. Okay? Thank you.